When you are in a war zone, this is just the reality. I mean, this is what people have to face now. Every day, multiple times a day, having to deal with this. So I'm not quite sure where we're going. So let's see what's going on here. So I don't know if this is a church or, but it's underground, that's for sure. This is a little different from my hotel. This looks like a. Thank you. Wow, look at this, guys. Looks like school kids will come down here. Sorry, go ahead. And wow. Okay. Just the reality again. One of the challenges of dealing with being on the front lines and dealing with war. It's really insane. I mean, really. Just imagine what the impact on kids and how they're feeling. You know, I don't know how long I'm going to be in here for. This is a real deal right here. Wow. Look at this.